Got it.
My name is Ricky. I'm out here playing goalball, the greatest sport ever invented by mankind.
Throw it as hard as you can.
It's just straight in front of me?
Yep.
Goalball it's the sport played under blindfolds with a tactile court with a ball that makes noise with 3 opponents against 3 opponents.
You got a solid center holding it down.
Trying to throw the ball as hard as they can into the net that the other team is trying to defend. I'm out here teaching a lot of my friends. Doesn't matter, I know. You're gonna win regardless. Dang, that's confidence right there.
I'm just here to have fun.
No, I hear you.
Skills learned in a short period of time has been great. I appreciate the growth in the attendance. So we're just out here trying to rehabilitate our lives and grow with our mindset and our confidence through our lives of living and playing a sport right now with no sight. But with the blindfold on, we still have freedom and we're able to come out and play this great sport. So nice. Right here. And when the time hits strike 0, whoever has the most wins.
Goalball is fantastic. Great exercise, super fun. It's really cool to kind of see how people with disabilities come out and they don't let anything stop them. They just come out and have a good time and enjoy the sport. It's really fun.
Still going weekly, yeah.